Welcome back. Welcome back.
Alright, so we're gonna do little ghost decorations. And we got this cloth. And then we got some balloons. And the glue.
Need a bowl.
And the
Put
bowl.
some water.
And we gotta blow up the balloons right now.
Bigger?
Yeah, bigger.
Ice? You let the air go.
Alright guys, so the first step, we got the bowl and we added some water in there and we also added some Elmer's glue. We just kind of mixed it in there and we just mixed it with our hands, which made it a little bit easier. And then the next step, we just cut up some cloth so we can get the right size for the ghost.
Right there. Don't let it go. Right there, bigger. Right there? Make a knot right here. Don't let it go. Hold it tight. Right there, there'll be a knot. Can I hold it? No. There you go. Good. Then we're gonna do this. Once we put this one, we're gonna put it right here, and we're gonna put this cover with glue and hold it right there. Yeah. Got this? Put it right here in the water with the glue. Squish it. Squish it.
Alright, so in this step, we are just placing the ghost on my mom's dining table so they could just dry overnight. And when I'm placing them on the dining table, I'm kind of just spreading it out and placing it how I want it to kind of come out to be. So it'll be like that. That's why I placed it over the candle, just so I can kind of get that little shape and form of it. Right here we are just making little projects that we got at the dollar store, and these little projects come in this little package. This one is a pumpkin one, and I believe they come in a package of 4 or 5, and it comes with everything that they need just except the glue. But Leo has the pumpkin one, and then Camila has the witch one. Your pumpkin, baby.
Yeah, you know.
It's a cute pumpkin. Can you take a picture with your pumpkin?
There we go. Show mommy.
1, 2.
Oh no!
Oh no! His eyeball came out. That one's so cute. Say cheese.
Cheese.
You funny girl. Those are so cute, Mama.
I can have them.
Okay, you got it? Did your eyeball still fall off? No, it didn't. Oh, your leaf did. Alright guys, so in this clip, my little brother and I decided to just kind of do a little challenge. Doing the little crafts that the kids did, but just timing it and seeing who can get it done quicker and the best. And it was honestly really fun. Me and my brother are 13 years apart, so it is kind of hard for him and I to relate on a lot of things. So doing things like this with him, it's really cool, and it kind of gets us connected and just be able to like socialize, and since our age gap is so different. And it was a little bit harder to do this challenge since we only had one glue stick. So it made it a lot more fun, but yet very challenging at the same time. Oh my god.
Then yours have white in it, mine don't.
This is my end result. Nico didn't have, his package didn't have the eyeballs. I was almost there, I just needed.
Wait, this is supposed to be behind?
Well, their ears. We hope you guys liked today's video, and if you guys want more videos like this, go ahead and comment down below, or let us know what other videos you guys want from us. Go ahead and share and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and put on that notification bell so you guys can be notified when we post our videos. And thank you for everyone who has been supporting us and being there for us. We truly appreciate you guys.